Today we're going to be going over 5 meme stocks that you should have on your watch list. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite meme stock of the moment, why it's your favorite meme stock of the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are interested in trading or investing in any of these stocks that I mentioned in this video, then go ahead and click the first link in the description to sign up with WeBull, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. With all that out of the way, let's get into our first stock for today. AMC. So AMC is the obvious one here because it just had a short squeeze, and most of these stocks are actually based off sympathy plays for AMC, but today we're still going to be going over AMC because it is the top meme stock at the moment. So if we go in here to AMC, basically obviously they have had a huge run up in price, and we have been going from levels of about 14 up to 20 all the way up to 25, hitting 36 at one point, consolidating a bit for a couple of days, and then obviously today we have just been going crazy. The volume is going crazy with AMC at the moment, but we are still looking amazing on June 2nd. Obviously when this goes up, it will be June 3rd. Trading was halted multiple times for AMC, and we did top out at about $72. A lot of people want to get AMC to $100, and at $64 right now, the market cap is sitting at about $28 billion. So in order to get to $100, the market cap would have to be closer to about $80 billion, I believe. Or sorry, not 80 billion by any stretch of the imagination, 40 billion, sorry, closer to 40 billion in order to get to that elusive $100 mark. Now a lot of people think that this is going to 100k. It could go a lot higher than $100. It all depends on how many shorts still have to cover. So this is a short squeeze that is occurring right here. We are having to see how many shorts still have to cover, and that data will come out sooner rather than later. If we look here on the MACD, the blue line is under the yellow line, which means that a downtrend is kind of occurring. But if the blue line starts to cross over the yellow line, then we can expect AMC to start trending back up. Right now, the AMC is only sitting at about 55 RSI, which means basically 70 RSI and above. That means the stock is being overbought, and 30 RSI and below means that it's oversold. So right now we're sitting at about 55 for the RSI, which is actually very good for AMC, because that means we are about to make new support at about $57 or $50. We'll have to see where we make support with AMC, but this is one of the top meme stocks at the moment that you guys should definitely have on your watch list. Alright, so the next meme stock that we're going to be talking about that you should definitely have on your watch list is going to be Blackberry. And Blackberry is a stock that we actually put in our Discord yesterday before any of this huge volume occurred. We talked about it at about $11.29. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, go ahead. It's the link is in our description. You sign up through Patreon to get into that private Discord. But eventually in after hours, it was up to about $13. It opened today, less than it was in the after hours at about $13-ish dollars. But throughout the day, we have seen a lot more volume as a lot more money has been funneled into these meme stocks. So obviously, Blackberry has had a very, very good day. And we are trending in the right direction. Right now we have a resistance of about $15. If we can get above that resistance of $15, and I expect we will, then we will most likely, we could even break through this resistance right now mid-video. But I would expect Blackberry to continue to squeeze upwards because they also have a lot of short interest in them as well. Obviously the RSI is a bit more overbought at the moment because we are on at its highs basically, and the MACD is trending upwards. So we are due for a little bit of a correction before we make that next leg up, but if we can get above this $15 level right now, that would basically indicate to me, oh, we just hit $15, but there is a resistance there. This is a live resistance level right here. But if we can get above this $15, we're probably going to, into after hours, continue to go up and continue the gains into tomorrow's trading session when this video comes out. Obviously, it's testing this $15 resistance right now. We'll have to see if it makes through there. It has pretty good support at $13.50 at this moment. But yeah, this is definitely a stock that you should have on your watch list if you are looking into meme stocks right now. Next up, we are going to have Sundial. So Sundial is another one that we used to talk about a lot back in the day. And it was trading at about 83 cents just a couple of days ago, but then made its way up above $1, and it's held its support above $1 pretty well for the past 2 days. Today, obviously, meme stocks, like I've said, have had a very good day. So now we are looking to break this resistance of about $1.15, and we're looking to do that right as we speak. But that is a huge resistance that we haven't been able to break since Sundial was up at $3 and all that. But obviously, this is actually a very good trade right now because the MACD came back down. We had a little correction, a little support here at about $1.10, and now the MACD is trending back up, and the RSI isn't too overbought. We'll see if Sundial can make its way above this $1.15 resistance level. We are sitting at a bunch of resistance levels right now, except for AMC, but Blackberry and Sundial both have good resistance levels here. Just a lot of selling pressure right now, but we'll see if both of them can break their way through these resistance levels they're at. But this is definitely one of the better meme stocks on this list that you should be adding to your watch list. So Sundial is definitely one you should have your eye on. Next up, we have Nokia. This is probably the one that I have the least amount of faith in, because if you scroll out to the week-long chart, for the past 5 years, we have been trading between $8 and about $3 at its low. But it basically just sits around $4 to $5. There's not much movement in Nokia. Now, it did hit $9 during that trading fiasco, but it sold off again, and it is trying to make its way back up. It's doing well right now, but this is probably the one that I am most likely. I'm not feeling too good about it. But we do have a bit of consolidation at the moment. There was a lot of volume earlier today because, again, this is another meme stock. But we have been consolidating. The volume isn't as much as it was earlier today, but we have made a good support at about $5.40. We'll see if we can break this resistance at $5.55, but I'm not too confident in that. And finally, we have the mother of all meme stocks, GameStop. So obviously, if there's a meme stock list that I'm making, I have to put GameStop on it. Just a few days ago, GameStop was trading at about $176. Now it's trading at about $277 and has a market cap of about $20 billion. Now that is $8 billion less than AMC is right now. So AMC is obviously the top dog at the moment. It might not seem that way because AMC is only 62 while GameStop is 278. But really all that matters is market cap. But basically, GameStop is one of the meme stocks that is always going to run when other meme stocks run as well. So it's only up 11% compared to AMC's 95%. But GameStop is up a good amount, 12% as we speak, and the trend line is looking good, and we haven't been too overbought. We are currently sitting at about 60 RSI, so we're getting to overbought territory, but we're also trending upwards on the MACD, which is very good. But if I'm going to make a list about meme stocks, I have to have GameStop on that list. But that's pretty much going to be it for this video. If you guys could please comment your favorite meme stock down below. I'd love to hear what your favorite meme stocks are, and then also consider liking, subscribing, and turning on post notifications, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps push the Finance Bro movement forward. But that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. My name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.